Articles. Today we are going over when to use a, an, the, or no article. Let's start with a or an. Use a, an for something general or non-specific. I bought a bicycle. They are having a team meeting. Use a, an to refer to someone's job. Jordan is a construction worker. Billie Holiday was an amazing singer. Use a, an to mean one item. I have an older sister and 2 younger brothers. Use a, an for the first time you mention something in a conversation. There's a tennis club nearby. I go to the club every week. And that brings us to the use of the. Use the when it is clear which thing or person we are talking about because it was previously mentioned, there is only one, or it is already known. We bought a desk and 2 chairs for the office. The desk has arrived, but we are still waiting for the chairs. Desk and chairs were previously mentioned. She's waiting for us at the train station. There's only one station. I'll see you later at the cafe, the one we always go to. Use the when the object or group of objects is unique. I'm so glad the sun came out today. We enjoy looking at the stars at night. Use the plus adjectives to describe a class of people. The elderly often spend too much time alone. Every day the gap between the rich and the poor widens. Use the with some geographical locations and places. They're learning about the Amazon. My husband prefers the coast, but I enjoy the countryside. Use the to refer to public transportation. I always like to sit by a window on the bus. Use the with musical instruments. He's learning to play the saxophone. Time to go over when to use no article. Use no article for sports and games. Let's play baseball this weekend. Use no article for meals. I made chicken for lunch today. Use no article for plural or uncountable nouns. Pollution is ruining our seas. Most people like cats or dogs, but not both of them. Use no article for phrases that relate to a type of place or institution. I have to go to work today. Do you go to university? He needs to be in court today at 3 p.m. sharp. Note, if we give specific places or institutions, we use the. Do you go to university? Yes, I go to the University of Chicago. He needs to be in court today at 3 p.m. sharp. Is he going to the juvenile court? Use no article for most countries. We visit Italy every summer. However, all we use the with the UK, the US, the Netherlands, the Czech Republic, and the Philippines. She's from the UK and I'm from the US. Go to Camera de Alava Bloglish to learn more about articles.